support that's already given to Somaliland, but the scale of this humanitarian crisis demands more and more stake. The children and elderly are already dying. The rest of the nomadic families are streaming to the urban centers in their destitution. We're also urging the government of Somaliland to prepare centers to care for the drought victims and to fully commit to a transparent and accountable process to reach all drought victims. Mr. Chairman and esteemed guests, the importance of transparency and accountability is also raised by the recent and controversial developments in Berbera. For those of you who are not aware, Berbera is a port city and is strategically placed on the Red Sea. It's also a major civilian aviation center and is crucial for Somaliland's imports and exports. The development of the port by a Turkish company has been rumored for the last couple of years. In June 2016, a deal was signed between DB World, a Dubai-based company, and the government of Somalia. According to the initial MOU document, DB World has committed to investing $442 million in the port in a period spanning over 3 decades. The wadani party encouraged the development of Somaliland assets and recognized the potential of Berbera port. It has the potential to serve landlocked Ethiopia fast-growing export-import trade. However, we are very concerned by the lack of transparency and accountability in the DB World contract. There was no open tender process, and the contract details and impact is still shrouded with secrecy. When done in such non-transparent manner, it has the potential to increase corruption and to rob the Somaliland people of their assets. I want to declare here that under my leadership, this lack of transparency culture will change, and that my government will commit to the application of zero-tolerance policy toward corruption in all its shapes. The recent announcement of the agreement between the government of Somaliland and United Arab Emirates, where UAE will build a military base in Berbera, is also of a great concern to my party and our people. We are generally supportive of assisting our security allies and of agreements which will bring jobs to Somaliland people. However, this military base has the potential to bring several serious challenges to Somaliland at a time when we are all ill-equipped to deal with them. This includes Somaliland being drawn into the conflict in Yemen and into the wider geopolitics of the region. There is also a risk to Somaliland's national security if we are seen to take sides in the geopolitical conflicts without adequate and compensating safeguards. Moreover, Berbera and the use of its strategic national assets are for Somaliland a crucial factor for the future development while building political alliances